I just threw fucking ice all over me. And fuck.
What's up, guys? They watching another video. But I don't even know how to vlog anymore, Jordan.
A little rusty?
A little rusty. I don't vlog no more, guys. I'm the most inconsistent YouTuber in the world. Most inconsistent car YouTuber, bro. Anyways, Happy New Year, guys. It's actually January 1st today, so it is New Year. It's 2022. The GTR is dirty, as always. But yeah, guys, today we got something really cool. Hopefully, we're able to make it work. Hopefully, it doesn't get dark. We're always trying to beat the sunlight. I hate it. I hate this, like, daylight savings thingy bullshit. I haven't even showed them, bro.
I know, so I was thinking a few points.
One day I'll show you guys what happened to the E46.
This was probably the worst though.
We gotta figure that out too in a couple weeks. But anyways, today I want to do something cool. We want to take the GTR to the snow. It's been snowing like crazy, so there's snow everywhere in the mountains. The only thing is we cannot take the car in the snow with these tires. First of all, they're drag radials, so they're literally slicks. There's no way I'm gonna be in the snow like this. And also, they're also on wires. I need new tires. I really need new tires bad. That's why I haven't driven the GTR. I haven't driven the GTR in maybe 2 weeks, bro. I don't even think it's gonna start, honestly. I know it's not gonna start. I'll put money on it. But yeah, the front wheels are on wires. I'll show you guys right now. But first, let's try to start this thing. Don't think it's gonna start. I know it's not gonna start. I really haven't driven this car in 2 weeks, guys. I actually miss it, like, I'm not gonna lie. I miss going fast. I've been driving my dad's little Audi for the past couple weeks. And yeah, I need to fix the tires on this GTR so I can start driving it again. I knew it. Nope. This shit is not gonna start, bro. It's so dead. Well, let's jump start it. Poor GTR. Nope. I need new tires, I need a new battery, and I need an oil change. We gotta do some maintenance on the GTR, guys. Woo! It's alive. Sounds so good. God damn, that shit's loud. I haven't started this thing in forever. Look at this, guys. See if I can show you the wires. These tires are horrible. Oh my god, bro. Yeah, guys, I really don't want to drive this car because I feel like any second these tires could just blow out or just leave me stranded somewhere, and I do not want to tow this car. I hate towing the GTR or putting it on a tow truck. It sucks. How's this one? Oh my god. I didn't even realize how bad my tires were. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and pick up my old stock wheels. The car's probably gonna look so ugly on stock wheels. Those have like brand new Michelin Pilot Super Sport wheels or whatever, or tires. So I think those will be good for the snow. So we're gonna put them on, go to the snow today, and hopefully we don't get stuck. I wanna do some like GTR donuts, bro. I'm trying to mess up my differential today, my transmission. People recommend not doing donuts or anything like that in a GTR because it's all-wheel drive and you can mess up like the front diff. But I think in the snow, might be a little better. Or we're just gonna fuck up. We're just gonna blow my transmission today. Alright, guys, look where we made it. To my dad's work. You guys remember this place? When we used to bring the E36 here and do some mods. We put my E36 seats on here, my wheels, a lot of stuff. But this is where I had my old stock GTR wheels stored at. The black edition wheels. Hopefully they don't look that bad. I think they look better than some stock wheels, honestly. Like the other stock GTR wheels, these actually look way better. And they're powder coated black already, so they should look pretty cool, hopefully. Guys, look how bad this is, dude. Like, it's not even, bro, it's not even safe, bro. We could have died.
I don't know why is it wear it out like that so bad?
I think I probably need like an alignment, bro, honestly. We got a stock GTR again. Those wheels aren't that bad. They don't look bad because they're black, so it kind of blends in. But obviously the 18s with the drag setup looks way better. But these aren't bad. I don't know. Comment down below. Do you guys like the stock wheels? It's only temporary until I get my new tires for the old wheels. And then also, I want to go to the snow today, like I told you guys, and there's no way we're going to the snow with those tires. These have a lot more tread, so we should be good in the snow, hopefully. And they're Michelin, so I think the Pilot Super Sports, so they should be pretty good in the snow.
Okay, it's really out of focus. That's rude.
All right, guys, we're finally on the way to the mountains. We're super late. It's already almost 4 o'clock, and the sun goes down. I think I get 30 minutes, dude. So I don't think we're gonna make it. I'm not gonna lie, but we're gonna try to go find some snow today. Find a place to do some donuts in the GTR, hopefully. We got all the homies back there in BB's Jeep. And we also got Emily Rose. You guys are probably seen Emily on my Instagram a couple times, but she's coming with us. We're gonna go see some snow. Maybe let her whip the GTR.
Not in the snow.
Look, guys, we made it. There's some freaking snow. This is the first time I've ever brought my GTR to the snow, I think. I think we're gonna make a little pit stop right here. We got BB's Jeep. We got my GTR in the snow. It looks so good in the snow, bro. It's like its natural habitat. Oh my God, it is cold, bro. What's wrong with you? You're car sick? He's car sick and hungover. Like I told you guys, it is New Year's and last night. Oh my God, look at the GTR, guys. It looks sick. My God, it is freezing, guys. I can't even hold the camera. And look what Emily's wearing. Show them what you're wearing. Let me see. There's no way you're not cold.
Stop.
You're gonna be freezing, dude. My hands are frozen, guys. Huh? What'd you say?
Oh, never gets cold.
A hoe never gets cold? Guys, if you didn't know, Emily is 4'2". She's 4'11" and she's so small. Look what she's wearing, guys. How are you not cold? Damn, she looking. Look how David's warming up his hands, guys.
I'm taking it back, homie. I don't give a fuck.
Is it warm?
Bro, it's fucking cold.
Oh, it is kind of warm, bro.
I'm saying.
Fucking fire.
It's not gonna be colder.
Once all this traffic dies down, let's go up and find like an empty parking lot.
Get some donuts.
Bro, it's already losing traction. You see me? Like stepping on it?
For real?
I swear, like, I'm trying to go sideways in the GTR today, guys. We have to. Oh, shit. We should have David go down this shit. David's gonna eat shit, watch.
Bro!
What the fuck? I knew Jordan. I knew David would be the one to fall, bro. Guys, look at Jordan and all the guys in the Jeep. They can go over everything, but I can't. So we found like this empty parking lot, but look, all the snow's gone. And we've been looking around all over Big Bear, but most of the snow is already melting. Oh, shit! Do it that way. Oh, shit! I'm about to get hit by this shit.
Emily's Bro!
Hey, you're tripping.
You got scared of.
Does it really spin like a lot?
Yes, it's kind of scary. Oh my God, my lip. My lip's like a snowplow right now. Okay, we found one more parking lot before we go home. This one might work. I mean, there's snow right here. I want to make sure there's no like, imagine like those cement things. Guys, I'm scared that we might get controlled by cops.
Hopefully not.
Like, what if a cop's just going right there and like, what the heck?
I mean, I haven't seen a single one up here.
I haven't seen any cops at all either.
This guy's stuck.
Don't get stuck, bro.
This guy's tripping. Yeah. Look. Yeah.
just threw fucking ice all over me and fucking rocks. God damn.
What's wrong,
It
Jordan?
is cold. And I got hit by a fucking, like, I don't know if it was a rock or what, but that shit hit my toe and that shit fucking hurt.
Bro, I feel like I'm gonna blow my engine or like
shit
my
sounds so
transmission.
sick.
It sounds
It looks
crazy, huh?
crazy.
Like bouncing off redline? Bro, I couldn't stop. I almost hit his Jeep.
I thought you're doing
No,
that.
bro, my brakes were there. I put the e-brake and everything and it wasn't stopping. I thought I was gonna go into his Jeep. Who's driving? Oh, hell no.
Looks sick.
Alright, I think that's pretty good, guys. We brought the GTR to the snow, kinda. I really don't want to mess up the GTR, but it was pretty fun, I'm not gonna lie. It took us forever to find snow. We've been up here for like
Perfect, yeah.
3 hours, but this is actually a good parking lot, I'm not gonna lie.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.